welcome back to channel viewers. This is day 2 of our short break to Costa Adeje, Tenerife. We're just having a walk on back from top end of Puerto Colon and into Adeje, and go back up towards Adeje towards Solson Beach, and we'll take you along for the walk, and so everyone can see exactly what's going on, what's happening, what weather's like. And I tell you, the sunset tonight is gorgeous. I'll pan you around so you can see it. Look at that. I have to stay on this side of the road, try and keep away from the music. So music on both sides. So no thanks.
Thank you.
Nice, some nice cocktails there. There's a Costa Adeje for cool adults. Well, that must be the. I'll just pan you around. That must be the adult only hotel. Some long ladders up there. We turn down here, isn't it? Yeah, we have to turn down here. So hang on before we got knocked over by the taxi. And another one. Hang on, and another. Oh. There you go. Right, I'll have to walk down here. See if we can get away from this music. So anyway, there's a shop just down here, a chemist, pharmacy, and we've been in it the last time we were out here, and we did notice they had a massive range of P20 sun cream. Now we swear by this P20 sun cream because it's the type of stuff you can put on in the morning. You go swimming, it's waterproof. You don't have to put it on half as many times as you would normal sun cream. But yeah, definitely P20. So but it has sprays, they have kids, they have all sorts. The P20 range. We can't recommend it enough. Can't recommend it enough. There you go. There's a P20. We'll just have a look now. Massive range of the P20. Massive range. Really good. Everything from 50 plus as well. Brilliant. Definitely recommend the P20. This chap here.
Hello.
He has massive range of sun creams, yes. P20s, everything. Definitely worth a visit here. Definitely. He'll got something for every kind of skin. Oh, and there's more of it as well. More of it. Oh, they got the tanning lotion, the bronzing cream as well. It's brilliant, that. Definitely worth a visit. Definitely. Speak soon. The Harbour Bar over the road over there. Just passing the Bravo Grill on the right hand side. Definitely worth a visit in there as well, near the good steak and everything. Bravo Grill restaurant, lounge bar, another one worth a visit. Definitely cooling down now. I think it's the best part of the day, this. It's going nice and cool. Oh. Yeah, I'm not sure. Does anyone know, or anyone put anything in the comments? Is that where the market is on the top up there, or does anyone know what's that used for up there? It's all got bits of stores and covered shelter, but there's no seating or anything out. I wonder if it's been something towards shops or stores or something. Strange one. Put a description in the comments box if you know. There's a car park. That's the car park down below there. Oh, there's a cross up there. It must be something to do with a church or something. Who knows? Who knows? Be honest, you look at that. They've got nice views up there, haven't they? I think that's is that the Iberia Star, or is that one of the Princess Hotels? Is it? Oh, that one, they've got a nice view up there, look at that, on the top.
I thought that was a church.
No, they've got seats and everything up there. They're nice and sunny during the day, and that'd be sun trap up there.
That'd be good to get married in.
What, up there?
Yeah, because you got a view of the thing.
Yeah.
Because they like.
Yeah, you got nice views, haven't you?
So it's there. You can like get some pictures. There's sunset in the background.
Yep, you can. Some decent music playing. Anyway, as you can see, I've got some of these Oakley sunglasses. These are the prism ones, with blue prisms. I am contemplating getting some of these Meta sunglasses with the video and the earphones in. One of a fellow blogger for YouTube, Paz, get some sun with Paz. He's well worth a look at his channel as well. He just got some of these sunglasses, and I think he swears by them, and they do look the business. So I might have to have a word with the missus to see if she can part with that kind of money. But who knows? I've noticed down here, all these lucky men, they get more and more. Just pan you around. Right, what we'll do here, this is where we're going to stop for a pit stop in Luma and have a beer. Anyway, I know it's a short video, but thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit that like and subscribe for notifications, and it'll just keep the channel alive and keep it going for us, and it will help us out. See you in the next one.